Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if JPG's files are not opening on your Windows operating system, so this video is where I will show you easily how to fix this issue. So first of all, you need to make sure that this is the photo, and when I open it, double click on it, it's opening easily. Okay, but if it is not opening, how to do it? Just right click on your, and then you need to click on open with, and you will see here the photos. Just select that option. If it is not showing up here, just click on choose another app, and from here choose that option and just select always. And by this setting, this will allow the photos to open with Windows inbuilt feature, that is photos. Okay, so this is the first option. Now if this is not working, let's click on start menu, then click on settings here, and once you click on settings, you need to click on apps, then you need to click on default apps, and in the default apps just search here photo. Even you can scroll down and look for Microsoft Photos here. You can see here. Now once you see that, just click on this link and set it as default here from here as well. The same setting we have already done that, but if it is not done, we can do that. Go back once, click on install apps. Now look for photos here. Just you can search here simply this one, you can see photos. Now once you click on this option dot advanced options, then you need to click on repair option. Scroll down and click on repair, and once you repair it, you can even reset it now if it is still not working. If these fixes are unable to fix our issue guys, so we have to uninstall this app. So let me show you how to uninstall this app if it is still not working. Since open the PowerShell as admin and hit yes prompt when the prompt opens, and you need to hit this command. Just this will uninstall the app, and you need to press enter. But you need to only first repair it, reset it, and restart your Windows. If it is still not working, then you can uninstall it. Okay, just press enter. Okay, if it is asking still not, let's retype it. So let's see if it is uninstall or not. Yeah, seems like it has been uninstalled. Now I can't see it. So once app is uninstalled, we can reinstall it from Microsoft Store. Just we need to search here photo, and you can see here Microsoft Photo. Just click on get, and once you get it, it is installing. And again you have to check the same setting, set it as default, and I'm pretty sure after installing this app again, it will fix your issue. If this is also unable to fix your issue, let's open this PowerShell as admin and hit this command sfc. Even we can run this command in the CMD. sfc space / scan now. It's done now. You can see here it's opened. Now it has been installed, you can see. So this is how, guys, you can fix this issue. Make sure you restart your Windows after that, and also restart and update should not be pending, otherwise you can do it. So I hope, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.